tayo sa plaza ng Santa Cruz. Bali.
Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa plaza ng Santa Cruz. So, maglilipad na tayo papunta dun sa Anilan. Let's go!
Welcome guys, andito po tayo sa Kapitolyo ng Anilan.
Marilag Festival, held annually to honor the town's patron saint, Santa Maria. This festival is a Thanksgiving celebration for bountiful harvest. It kicked off with a solitary walk, followed by a holy mass attended by local officials and residents. Highlights include a trade fair showcasing local goods. A food fair features specialty dishes like suman and tamale, and various cultural activities that highlight the town's agricultural heritage and community spirit.
Sir, ba't sabihin mo Marilag Festival sa mga
Santa Maria, Laguna. So kami ang pinakadulong bayan ng Laguna. Bali, sineselebrate namin ang Marilag Festival. Marilag means ganda. So Santa Maria is marami siyang pwedeng ipagmalaki in terms sa ang Marilag Festival is kinuha sa pangalang Maria Laguna. So sa Tagalog naman, ibig sabihin ng Marilag is beautiful sa English. So ayun po. So ang Santa Maria Laguna po ay tinawaguri ang The Rice Granary of Laguna. So pangunahing produkto namin is palay. Yun ang pinakamalaking porsyento sa lalawigan. Kaya kasi tinawag na kapan ng bigas ng Laguna. So bukod doon, meron din kami mga pinopromote na iba't ibang tourist spot, which is ito na Three Falls, and also is yung sa Little Baguio namin sa taas, na kung alam niyo yung Marilaki. So yun yun. So muli, meron kami iba't iba diyang product. So ang ng festival, inaagayahan namin kayo sa April. So first week ng April, aariba na ang Marilag Festival ng Santa Maria. Mabuhay ang Laguna, mabuhay ang bayan ng Santa Maria.
Agricultural goods as the rice granary of Laguna. Santa Maria is known for its high-quality rice. Other agricultural products include various crops grown in its fertile lands. Local delicacies, specialty treats include suman, sticky rice cake wrapped in leaves, and tamales, a savory dish made with rice meat and spices wrapped in banana leaves. There are also unique local terms for some foods such as kinabog and sinukmani. Crafts local artisans produce virgin coconut oil, base soaps infused with fruit extract like pineapple, strawberry, and avocado papaya, which are popular for their natural ingredients and skin beneficial properties. Beyond the delicious love flavors and the thrill of the festival rides, this experience showed us the true heart of Laguna's hospitality. We realized that culture isn't just in what we wear or eat, but in the respectful po and opo and the shared joy that brings our communities together. As a hospitality student, we've learned that these traditions are the foundation of how we connect with and welcome the world.